Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change wallpaper in Oppo K10 phone guys. You want to change your wallpaper, so you can change it. In this video guys, I will show you how to change wallpaper. Let's see how to change it. First of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys scroll it and guys come on display and brightness setting. Just click on this last guys. You can see my wallpapers. Where you want to download wallpaper, so you can download from here guys. And guys, you want to take photo wallpaper, so you can take from here. But guys, now we will take this and change into like this guys mountain. And as you can see, apply option. So guys, we will click on only home screen setting. So only home screen will wallpaper will change in your Oppo phone. So as you can see guys, wallpaper has changed in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.